Pontiac to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics 1989 Pontiac Firebird formula, T-top car, 5.7 liter TPI or tuned port injected V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Although AC, I did not have the compressor kick on and off, FYI, but it seems all the components are there. May just need a charge. Clean Carfax confirms miles, a little over 55,000 actual on this one. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at the nose cone on this formula. Now, as far as the paint, I will tell you the paint shows its age a little bit, 55,000 miles on it. There are some touch-ups up front and throughout the hood area. There's some slight swirling. And I'll show you another spot where there's a few scratches. Rear wing could use a little TLC like you see on so many of these. Very common problem. Writing on the formula wheels. It has WS6 center caps. Polished aluminum, Goodyear tires. Up and down the sides, not bad. As far as nicks, dings, or scratch go, light gray interior, cloth bucket, center console. Power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise, rear hatch release, and it also has the automatic hatch closure. Mechanism works fine. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, I have the T-tops in the GM bag that would have came with this car when it was new. Show you a couple things. We'll get back to that wing in a second. Gaskets, everything on the T-tops look good. We'll check around to the driver's side when we get there also. They don't appear to be dry rotted or cracking or anything. Now, spot where there has been some scratching, if you can see that. Somebody taking the T-tops in and out. And then the wing, the notorious wing on this body style. Obviously could use a refinish and repaint, and then they were known to crack on the pedestal underneath the wing between that and the deck lid. So is it on there? Could you drive it the way it is? Absolutely. Remember, it's a 55,000 mile clean Carfax car, so you drive it the way it is. Jump in it and go. If you want to kind of do a little TLC with a few of these areas, take it to the next level, do that also. Once again, still pictures, so you can see the inside, the engine bay, underside, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Go ahead and take a peek down the driver's side of this car. Bright wet red paint, looks good on the driver's side also. So mostly the top areas where it does show a little age. All right, interior, door panels, as you can see, good condition. Power locks here, and of course your power mirrors and power windows are going to be on the center console. There's your automatic with overdrive transmission. Wipers do work. Start it up so you can hear it run. There's the exact miles too. 55,295 or 296. And that is no reading higher than that on the Carfax. Carfax is no accidents indicated. All right, as you can see, tachometer, stay over here. Tachometer working. Just one of the rest of the gauges. The rest of the gauges are working. Temp comes up with engine temperature. Dash, nice shape. Now, if you notice the stereo, I don't have the faceplate on there. We're consulting with the consignor of this car, previous owner, to see if he has that at home. We have not found it in the car. There'll be an update in the description or consult with your sales associate when you call in and ask about this car. We'll be finding out an answer. As you can see, the passenger seat, nice shape. What you'd expect, kind of miles on it. Same with the driver's seat. No holes, rips, tears, anything like that. Really any excess of wear at all. Back seats, check them out in the pictures. Great shape. Slip around to the back of this. Again, 5.7 liter. Tuned port injection. 350. It's paired up with that automatic with overdrive and then power steering, power brakes, AC. Remember the AC compressor, everything seems to be there. They did not get it to kick on. Alright, let's pause this 1 second. Check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner. Doesn't really look like this car's been driven a lot as far as inclement weather, any sort of bad weather, winter driving, anything like that. I'm guessing it was stored, especially judging by the low miles on it. But you don't see the rust or the corrosion really up underneath the hood at all. There you get a look at the, again, 5.7 liter V8, 350 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. There you have a 1989 Pontiac Firebird Formula T-top car. Clean Carfax. 55,000 miles, slightly over. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.